Just waiting for a train here at Van Dyne Avenue. Music playing. The train, I think, is like 1 minute away, so we'll give it some time. I don't even see it right now. Ride safe, Potato City. Tachibana Drive. Almost sounds like banana. Let's go back to sitting and waiting. Guys take forever. I don't know. That the board's changed. I don't know when the train is gonna be here. There's maybe a slight chance that the person who was driving that train probably deleted it. This is Roblox after all, so who knows? I still have no clue. Let's go to the mezzanine and see what's going on.
Run away! Run away! Run away!
That is very loud. I'm a little bit scared by that. Yeah, I guess there's no train coming, so I guess instead we'll just have to drive our own. Well, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sign off now.